Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unpackage a Ringke case for the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. I purchased this Ringke case on Amazon because I've bought Ringke cases before. I've been very happy with them, and I think they do show off something that is key to most smartphones nowadays, specifically the back. So this is Ringke Eco Packaging, made in Korea, which contains the case itself and some clear instructions on how to prepare the case for your phone. So you'll see that there's instructions here, the 4 steps, as well as vouchers of extra accessories for your mobile or tablet devices. So great marketing from Ringke here. But what we need to do here, and things have improved over the last few years, is pull the little green tabs. So you pull those tabs off and it will peel the protective tape from the inside of the case and likewise from the outside of the case. So we now have our pristine case ready to take our Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. And the way I'm going to slip it in is very simple. Buttons first, in it goes, and as you can see here, we have the Ringke case showing off the back of the phone whilst not losing any of that big colour, which is baby blue, or as Samsung call it, awesome blue. Now, the case is slightly different design from some of the Ringke Fusion-X cases we've seen. For example, for the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, or for the Huawei P30 Pro, or for the Xiaomi Mi 9T. Now, the first thing is the faux screws that we see in the case in different parts. So there's some faux screws. And on the side here we have some good cutouts for the buttons. Let's check that they work. That definitely worked. And volume up works, volume down. There's no stickiness there, which is good. And at the top we have an appropriate cutout for the microphone hole. And at the bottom, all the cutouts we need for the courage port, the 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, USB Type-C, and the speaker ports. And when looking at the camera module, there is a little bit of depth, so it is slightly raised case, which means that you're less likely to scratch or damage your camera module when placing it on a flat surface. So that's good to see. There's also a little lanyard loop space here, so you can use this case with a lanyard. That's good to see. And there is also one on the other side. So overall, good feel. It doesn't add much in terms of bulk, but it does do that key protection of the edges and lifts those surfaces such as the screen up with around about 1mm of extra depth there. So if we turn the screen on, you'll see that just here there's around about almost 1mm of depth on the screen. So I have to say, first impressions very, very positive. It feels solid, it feels good, and it shows off the awesome blue or baby blue of the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. We're already working on videos for this phone, so keep an eye on Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. If you have any further questions on this Ringke case, feel free to leave comments in the section below. I'll also leave an Amazon link in the description for you to check that out on Amazon for yourself. But for now, thank you for watching this quick unboxing and first impressions video. Thank you for watching.